Let's take a look at the grounds for a BFOQ. Given the narrowness of the BFOQ defense, when is it recognized? The courts have recognized three general grounds for establishing BFOQs: authenticity, public safety, and privacy. The classic example of authenticity or genuineness is a director casting a movie and limiting a female role to female actors. Authenticity also applies where sex or sex appeal is the essence of the job and the business. Owners of clubs featuring topless dancers need not consider males for those jobs. The more difficult cases involve jobs that contain both sex-linked and sex-neutral aspects. A BFOQ will be recognized if the sex-linked aspects clearly predominate. The second basis for establishing a BFOQ is public safety. When hiring or assigning employees with a particular protected class characteristic is necessary to protect the safety of others, fiscally discriminatory requirements are legally defensible. Although the ADEA generally prohibits mandatory retirement and other maximum age requirements, public safety concerns sometimes allow employers to consider only younger people for jobs. A BFOQ based on public safety was upheld for an inner-city bus company that limited new hires to people younger than age 40. Before excluding older people from safety-sensitive jobs, employers must establish that the risks posed are substantial, and more individualized means, like regular medical exams of identifying people who might pose risks, are not feasible. The third basis for a BFOQ is customer privacy. This consideration primarily relates to requirements for employees of a particular sex. One BFOQ case with a privacy basis concerned a psychiatric facility's rule that at least one person of each sex be available in each shift. Except when clear authenticity, public safety, or privacy interests are at stake, employers should not impose protected class requirements for employment based on the demands or needs of customers or coworkers. The best advice for BFOQs is that even when suitability for a job is associated with protected class characteristics, employers should seek more individualized means of assessing suitability rather than rely on protected class as a convenient proxy. Employers might be required to convince state fair employment practice agencies that BFOQs are warranted before putting them into effect.